first, let us understand what is a pest. A pest is an organism that eats or damages plants that are grown in agriculture. For example, slugs eating lettuce in my garden. Pests can be controlled using pesticides or by introducing other species, also known as biological control. Pesticides are natural or synthetic chemicals that are sprayed on crops. They include insecticides that control insects, fungicides that control fungi, and herbicides that control weeds, other plants that are not supposed to grow with the crop. Pesticides can be sprayed all over a field using industrial machinery, like tractors or planes, or in specific areas by humans. Here are few specimens of crops affected by pests. We observe from the following examples that crops affected by pests have holes in them. This indicates that the pests have eaten up parts of the leaves, and as the leaves are destroyed, the plant too will not sustain, as the leaves are the kitchen of the plant. They help in making the food, and thus the plant too will not survive, which makes a major impact on the crops. Now let us look on to a kind of pest so that we can develop a pesticide for that. Aphids or green flies are herbivores and they feed on human crops. Now let us understand how to look out for aphids. First of all, there may be a trail of ants on the leaf. Next, there may be curling or the leaves may have misshapen. Third, there may be yellowing of leaves from the edges. Fourth, you will find yellow, green, black, white or brown aphids on the underside of the leaves. Now we are going to develop our own organic pesticide. For this, I'll be using water, baking soda and oil. First of all, we are going to pour 20 ml of oil into water. Now we'll put in 2 teaspoons of baking soda as well. Now we are going to stir this solution vigorously. Now to dilute it further for spraying purposes, we are going to add more water. At last, our solution is ready, and it can be sprayed on all of these plants for getting rid of the pests.
2 hours later.
As it is organic, the solution takes a while to work. After 1 hour, there are visible signs that the pests have vanished.